Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to print a customer aging report using SQL accounting software. A customer aging report shows unpaid invoice balances along with the duration for which the customer has been outstanding. Here is a scenario. You need to print a customer aging report to review overdue invoices and identify which customers have outstanding balances. Let's begin. First, select the aging date. You can also select the specific customer, agent and area that you want to generate the report for. Next, choose the aging on method. If you select document date, the report will display the aging based on invoice date. If you select due date, the report will display aging based on after due date. For example, if you have an invoice dated January 2025 with a 60-day term, and you apply the aging date as July 31st, 2025, the invoice will fall under 6 months if aging is based on the document date. However, if you apply aging based on the due date, the invoice will fall under 4 months instead. Before applying additional options, let's preview the normal customer aging report. If you need to check transaction details for a customer, click the Show Detail icon. Now, let's look at the additional options. The Include PDC Info option allows you to display post-dated checks in the report. For example, if an invoice of 1,000 ringgit is issued in August 2025, and the customer makes a payment of 500 ringgit using a PDC dated September 30th, 2025, setting the aging date to August 31st, 2025 will show this PDC in the report. The Include Knockoff Detail option will only show when the invoice got partial knockoff. For example, if an invoice of 1,000 ringgit is issued in August 2025, and the customer makes a payment of 500 ringgit in September 2025, choosing this option will show the knockoff details in the report. If everything looks good, you can print the report to share with your customer. And that's it. We've successfully generated a customer aging report. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.